Hey guys, I got a fun project for the kiddos, and I'm gonna put a disclaimer here before we get started. This is a popcorn shooter, and puts a puffed piece of popcorn out, at pretty good velocity. So it's a very simple thing to make, but you know, just be aware that of the age that the kids that are making these, and obviously I'm not sure if you can put an eye out with a piece of popcorn, but just be aware that this does shoot it out at a pretty good velocity. But it's fun for the little bit older kids, so use your discretion. So anyway, here we go. So we have basically 4 items: pair of scissors, some tape, quart plastic bag, and a sheet of regular 8.5 by 11 paper. So first thing you want to do is cut about an inch strip off of your paper. And next thing you want to do, and you can have a couple pieces of tape already pulled out, so you're trying to hold something and in place, and cut tape, it's a little bit difficult. So let's see here. So you're going to want to roll this up. You're going to want to have the barrel, if you will, be about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So roll that guy up like that. And that's a pretty good diameter right there. Maybe a little big, but it'll work. So then take your piece of tape, hold this guy into place. Like so. And then you're going to want to put a strip of tape down that whole seam. So get it lined up. Tape that guy. Other tape kind of fell apart, but that's all right. Okay, so that's what you got there. The next thing you want to do is you want to tape across here so that you can get all of those rolled up layers of paper together. So make a few cuts so that you can bend those pieces down on the inside. So kind of like so, and then just kind of use your finger to get those all stuck to the inside. Do the same to the other end. Well, I had like the perfect length of tape for that. All right, so do the same here. All right, so that's what we got. That's going to be your barrel. So put that aside. Next thing, take your piece that you've cut off and fold it twice. So you got that piece like that. And cut off about a, I don't know, 5-inch strip, something like that. Do this time. And so put your tape on one end and go to your barrel and go in about 3/4 of an inch and tape that and roll that around like so. And take your other piece of tape and hold it into place. That's basically going to just be a stopper for your barrel once you put it inside the Ziplock. And then you can put another piece of tape on it to make sure it's held in place. So it doesn't have to be pretty, but so that's what we got so far. Next thing is you want to take your plastic bag, Ziplock, and cut the corner out. And you can cut it out a little small so it's going to fit tight. So about like so. And then you're going to take your barrel, open up the bag, and you're going to push it through that bag, and that piece you put on there, you can see kind of works as a stopper. So the next thing you do is take a longer piece of tape, and you're going to want to secure the plastic bag to the barrel. That'll kind of seal it up. One piece of tape is good. 2 pieces of tape are always better, in my opinion. So go ahead and seal that up. So there you go. It's basically done. So if you have the bag sealed, you can see if you blow it up, it inflates your bag. So all you got to do is put your piece of popcorn down in the barrel and then hit it, and it pops it, launches it at a pretty good velocity. So once again, don't aim it at somebody, don't aim it at your brother or sister or your mom or your dad. You know, aim it away from someplace safe, and I'll demonstrate how it works, and if you want to mimic a little bit of smoke coming out of there, you can put just a tiny bit of powdered sugar. Flour would probably work, and it's pretty cool, but a little more messy. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoy. Have fun. All right, here goes the popcorn shooter. So blow it up, put your popcorn in there, shove it down a little bit. Bam. So if you want to add a little bit of, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, smoke, realistic smoke coming out of there. Just put a little bit of powdered sugar in the barrel, and then popcorn kernel. Oh, I guess I should have inflated it first, but I'll deal with that. So I'll show you how that works.